Have you ever felt like you just don't have enough time in your busy schedule to make it to the gym and work on your fitness goals and your well-being? Well, you're gonna wanna watch this video. My name's Jay, the founder of 5 Star Fitness, and I'm gonna be showing you the most simple way how to create time in your schedule to work on your fitness goals. So the best solution to creating time to work on your fitness goals is having an agenda, having a schedule, all right? So I recommend using a calendar. You can use your iPhone, you can use Google Calendar, but just have a schedule. Think about it. All the things that are important to us always make it to the calendar, right? An anniversary, a birthday, a trip, a work meeting, a doctor's appointment, anything that's important to us, right? We make time for. So we need to view our exercise and our health in the same light as those other appointments. We have to put ourselves first and take care of our health. So what we need to do is put these appointments on the calendar. And as soon as they're on the calendar, you're gonna be way more inclined to make it happen, right? So let's talk about what this typically looks like. So right here, I've got a little mock calendar. So let's think about it. The majority of the people are working about 9 to 5, 9 to 6, Monday through Friday. So let's just go ahead and just block off all this time here. And again, from about like 2 to 6. So all this time is unavailable. All right, now let's think about it. An average workout takes about 40 to 60 minutes to get it done, right? And this is a typical day, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night. No one's up really earlier than that, and a ton of people are up later. But on average, 6 to 10. So let's think about it. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to get a workout in. And you can do that. Here's your average work day at 6, 7, 8. On your lunch break at 1. At 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 9 opportunities in a day outside of your work schedule where you can make it to the gym. But the thing is, not everybody only has work. Everyone has other obligations. They have kids, they got school, other things they got going on. So even if you block off, say you got a meeting before work, you got a lunch meeting, and then you have like a project due, you have to work here. Even with that in consideration, with the full day at work, you still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours where you can make it to the gym and make a change. And it's all about just getting a little bit better every day. You're not gonna get to that end goal in a week or a month. It's creating good habits in our schedules to continually make progress. Lay out your schedule. That's how you're gonna make time. And the same goes for meal prepping, right? A lot of people don't have time to go to the store. It's because you didn't make time to go to the store. So one of my favorite things I like to recommend to people is, on Sunday, block off 2 to 3 hours to meal prep. Get your groceries and prep, right? And then again, on Wednesday after work, block off about 2 hours, do it again. Now all of a sudden you have it on your calendar when you're gonna make it to the grocery store. So there's no excuse to not having time because you prepared for it in advance. Another thing that's gonna have a huge impact on your willingness to create time in your schedule to work on your fitness is having accountability, having a coach or a trainer, someone hold you to your workouts. If you're gonna schedule out 3 days a week, well, I hope your coach or trainer is checking in with you to make sure you're making it to your session. So having accountability is gonna make you stick to your schedule way more than you would if you were just on your own. Also, I think it's kind of ironic when people say they don't have time to work out or work on their fitness, because on average, the person who works out an hour a day will live 5 years longer than a person who does not. Think about how much more time you're gonna have by exercising now. 5 years, that's a ton of time for activities and just to live life to the fullest. So if you've been thinking about working on your fitness goals, I hope that you take a look at your schedule and realize that you do have time, you just gotta make it a priority. All right, so again, my name is Jay with 5 Star Fitness. I hope you found this video valuable, and I'll see you at the gym soon.